Hi, I'm Nikki Fitzgerald. I'm with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Texas Sea Grant. I'm a coastal marine extension agent. And what are we gonna do today, kids?
Cook oysters!
Oysters, all right. So here I've got some locally sourced oysters from Chambers County. You know, a lot of people were scared about cooking oysters in, any time of the year or basically outside of the months with the letter R. Did you know some people only eat oysters in the months with the letter R, like October, November, December? Well, it's a myth, okay, because back in the day they didn't have proper refrigeration and now we do, so people can eat oysters all year long. And it's not a bad thing to eat oysters at your house or try to cook them. So I got my helpers. We're going to make a pecan Bran-encrusted oyster, and we're going to fry them a little bit. So I'm going to get my little helpers to smash up our locally sourced 4-H pecans and our cereal. This is our little Bran cereal. So go ahead and smash it up, kids. And while they are smashing, we're going to get our ingredients ready and get ready to keep going. So smash, 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 kids. So we're going to start getting our oysters prepared already. This is a recipe in the Hooked on Seafood that Texas Sea Grant has on page 96. So basically, you take your oyster, you're going to dip it in a flour and salt and pepper mixture. Then dip it into an egg. And then in the pecan and cereal crusted mixture that the kids were putting together for me a while ago. And then we stick it in the frying pan.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, what, Jenna?
Did they have shells on them?
Well, these oysters used to have shells on them, but the shells were taken off and put in a bowl, and we can actually buy it from the grocery store. So, thank you. That's a good question. All right, so the oysters will fry for a minute or two on each side, and then whenever they get done, they'll have this nice brown, golden, crispy looking texture, and that's what they'll look like, and good to eat. So thank you for joining us tonight, and hope to see you again soon.